Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Acres Lawn Care here. Hope you're all doing well. So, this is my customer's fence, and as you can see, it's coming away from the fence because this tree here is pushing against it. Now, the land is owned by nobody knows. So, the council don't own it. Apparently they used to maintain it, but apparently they don't maintain it anymore. So now we're looking at the overgrownness on the other side. So what our plan is today, let me show you, is to try and replace this fence panel, cut this tree down, and then get inside and then just clear anything along her fence to prevent any future growth. But let me just show you this. Pretty overgrown, and it's destroying the customer's fence, so we need to sort of take action. We don't want any trees to destroy the fences because there is a real issue with foxes in this garden. So anyway guys, as normal, if you enjoyed this content, consider liking and subscribing. That'd be brilliant. We're going to get cracking. We're going to start cutting down these trees and yeah, just do it as safely as possible. It is an overhang, so it does go over. It's not as big as it looks, to be honest. It's just where the camera angle, but it's got an overhang on there. And then once we've cut this part of the tree down, we're going to then try and focus on the rest of it. But yeah, let's crack on. Gaz, where are you coming? Gaz.
What? Go on, eh?
Did you get the saw?
What?
The saw?
For what?
Cutting down a tree, we don't need all that.
Oh.
Good morning, my neighbor.
Yeah. Really light foliage, like really light. Over the shed is done. Now we just got to tackle these bits here, and then we can start getting behind the fence down there and removing this stump down to the ground. Whew. I'm out of breath. Yeah. Yes, I know a chainsaw is quicker, but when you're on a shed and it's wet, the last thing you want to be using is a... You got two people, two player.
Two player. Getting closer to this. This is the main branch here. This is the annoying one.
This is the one that's been pushing this fence out. You can see in there that, see, it doesn't, the post is in there at the back. You see the post there, but it's pushing out, so. Good old stuff.
Man.
Found your fox's mud.
Have you?
Oh my god, Gary!
There's not I think that's all I can get because of the ivies.
There's a lot of ivy on there, is there?
Quite a big few, couple of big ones.
Oh my god. Yeah, nice, man. Seems to be a lot of ivy there. And that's the tree that's been causing all the problems.
That's pretty good. Hell yeah! Oh, not yet.
Fight our way through there.
Pushing it all that way.
I'm just trying to push it out of the way so we can work.
What? Work? What do you mean?
Looks as if everyone's cut trees down there and just left it.
Well, might as well do the same, it looks like, innit? Don't be scared. Oh my god, sorry, watch out. There's a big Y.
Right, so this is what we're dealing with, guys. So you can see the back of my customer's fence right there. Yeah? Actually, I'll get a bit of picture of the step. Yeah, watch out. Let me just clear some of this stuff. So let's
That's why my first person shooter mode, isn't it? You know what I mean? Pow, 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 pow. That is the back of our customer's fence. Hi. Jesus.
Okay, so
Can take that out. Yeah, go on. Oh, that's a big one, isn't it? Oh, Jesus. Oh.
stinks
Ooh.
of piss, fox piss.
It does. And fox residue.
Okay,
Gotta clean our boots for sure, this one.
100%. Right. Just waiting it. Gary, you're in the way.
This wasn't planned. Can bring anyone? I wonder if it actually was in the way.
I don't know,
Do you want to
maybe.
just...
Well, at least it's not.
I'm gonna get this one out of there, innit? As well.
Yeah, man.
Oh, bloody hell.
Gaz is just trying to wrap the rope around that bit there. Not that bit, but last bit to come down. We've got that land at the back, so we're just going to touch a rope. Gaz is going to cut at the bottom. We're just going to pull it down and let it fall. And yeah. But did you want to attach the? Oh. Just whack it, mate. It'll break off. I told you.
Oh, yeah.
Now just finish the cut.
It's not really, it's twisted.
Right, I'm gonna just pull it.
Yeah, it's just
Just
twisted.
stand back in case any bits splinter out.
Hold on. Away. I think this bridge we built is quite nice, mate.
What bridge, mate?
Well, I thought we were going to the neighbours.
It's a fox walkway.
Oh, right, it's their little playground.
It's where the foxes walk along here. What they do is as they get to the end, they come and sit on your garden furniture and then they do a poo.
And they just curl one out.
That is literally what happens in gardens.
Yeah,
guys.
literally.
Garden furniture, foxes just go and poo on it.
They literally just poo everywhere.
I know.
So we got panel off, cut this mega tree down, which was just an absolute nightmare, and then cleared quite a lot of ways. I mean, half of the stuff was just rubbish from, looked like this tree that had been chopped and pushed down anyway. And then just getting onto this tree at the minute, just trying to stop anything from pushing against it. But yeah, it's horrible back here, and I've seen loads of foxes as well. Good fun it is indeed. Right, Gaz is up the tree, just chopping some of the bits off another branch which we've noticed, which is causing a bit of stress on this fence here. So we're going to just take the weight off the top and then cut that branch there going up off. And so far we have, so we've removed this tree that was coming up and into the garden. So we're not going to dig it out, it's not our tree. We just wanted to make sure the fence wasn't going to get damaged or pushed over. And then, yeah, it's just a tip back here. I don't even know who owns the land really. I don't think anyone knows who owns the land, but by the looks of it, it's just a dumping ground. Lovely stuff. Yeah, all this ivy as well. All the ivy growing on the fence. Look, I've taken some of that off there, but it's looking pretty horrible. I think it's got tight, isn't it? Yeah. Hang on.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it's got a quick and slow.
Slowly.
Just move that way now, guys.
Yeah.
And that is how you do it. That is how an unprofessional tree surgeon, guys, we're not tree surgeons by the way.
It's like my catch of the day.
You caught that perfect. Radio. Right. Huh? Just leave that there for just a sec. Let's see if we can actually slot it back in that way, and then maybe we can reinforce it or something. Yeah. I don't think that is going to work. Oh. I don't know. How much is that? I mean, we got the.
Do you want to dig it in?
Well, no, because haven't got enough room there. But we were thinking we get the spade and try and slot it in.
Carry on,
Yeah, just. Right, it's in there now, so I can take this out, and then it should actually just pop in. Right, so that side needs a bit of a.
That's only a bit of a reinforcement there.
Yeah. So what I'm going to do is get that panel.
There's something to wedge in there.
I can wedge these down there for now, and then basically
The nails.
get those.
Oh.
Huh?
Is it coming out?
That's okay because it's going to push them ones in, isn't it? Is it pushed that in?
That side in?
This back bit isn't.
Huh?
Is it meant to be like this?
What?
Like this, yeah.
Yeah, is that touching?
No.
Right, so it. Yeah.
So you need like another.
What I'd rather do is have. Well, I think it's just. Yeah.
With this piece here. Would this piece work?
I don't think it's going to go anywhere at the minute. Yeah. Right, cool. This pack away, and then that'll do temporarily. But I feel like this post is definitely moved. Right, so fence is back, tree is gone, sitting nicely now. The only issue is the fence post at the end is out. At the top it's unlevel, so we had to pack it out of a little bit. So I'm going to need to speak to the customer, because I'd have to probably get a new fence panel and some batten as well, just to kind of like fill in the gaps and make it a little bit thicker at the tops properly, because all this is wet wood, but it is strong enough as it is for now. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Right guys, we're finished. Thank you for watching as always. Yeah, it was a little bit of a difficult video because we're only really working in this space, and putting the camera somewhere is really difficult, so you need to get like a GoPro which will enable us to sort of pin it onto things. But yeah, we've done what we could. Thank you for watching, and yeah, if you enjoyed this content, consider liking and subscribing, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.